There's only two ways to sell anybody anything. And this goes for businesses that sell services and businesses that sell products. And it goes for companies that are doing maybe $100,000 a year in sales to companies doing hundreds of thousands of dollars a day in sales and more. And the only two ways to sell anybody anything is by either tapping into their emotions or creating relationships with them. Companies that are looking just for a cash grab are all selling to their customers based on emotion. Those are the supplement videos that start with maybe an ambulance, right? And the person saying, oh my God, my husband was on the ground convulsing, and the only way that I was able to save him was by giving him a little bit of this special nutrient only found on this other side of the planet. And all of a sudden, as soon as I did, he got up and he danced and everything was fixed. Or maybe it's the financial videos that start by telling you that over the next few weeks, everything in the market is going to crash. Everything. And the only way to save your money is to know the two secrets that they're going to tell you in that video, and then obviously work with that company afterwards, right? Most of those videos are bullshit. And they try to tap into a prospect's emotional state, and they get them fearful so that they jump on whatever the solution is in that video, because they know that a percentage of people will always buy on emotion. And companies that rely on emotional sales, maybe they have a higher close rate on day one. In fact, almost always they do. But they also have a higher refund rate and a higher chargeback rate and much higher customer support issues. And their stick rate, if they're selling a subscription, is significantly lower. On the other hand, companies who build their sales process with their prospects based on relationships always have a higher stick rate, and they can normally charge significantly more for their products. And they usually have much lower refund rate and a lower chargeback rate and lower customer support. And yes, that comes with a price, meaning that day one sales are normally lower when you're building a relationship sales model. In our companies, we combine both relationship selling and emotional selling. And we heavily rely on relationship selling, meaning we create relationships with our prospects by giving them free content and free support and free education. And in our education, we'll show people how to get results themselves without buying anything from us. But we'll also show them the truth about how much faster they could get those results if they work with us. So emotionally, if speed is important to them, which is pretty much important to everybody, then many of them are going to want to work with us. But they have all the information that they want if they want to do it themselves from the free content that we gave them already. Like the content that I post on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or any other social media platform, that's all free. And if you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get that information and pretty much all the information you're going to need to help you grow a business to either 8 or 9 figures, because that's what we specialize in. But that doesn't mean that we don't offer paid programs like masterminds and other kind of programs, but you don't need them. You don't have to get into them in order to get results. The content that I post online is pretty much the same content that I give my leadership team and my C-level players inside of each one of my companies. So it's pretty damn valuable if you're a business owner. It doesn't make a difference what you're selling or what revenue level you're at or what industry you're in right now. You should be balancing both relationship and ethical emotional selling so that you can go out there and help the greatest number of people possible and grow the hell out of your company at the exact same time.